Kingdom Panels reviews are generally positive, especially from homeowners and interior enthusiasts who want to elevate their spaces without major renovations. These panels are praised for their ability to completely change the look and feel of a room, giving walls a sophisticated and textured appearance. Many users love that they are lightweight, which makes them easier to handle compared to heavy wood or stone options, and they don't require professional installation, a huge plus for DIY lovers. The adhesive backing or simple mounting process makes the panels convenient, saving time and effort. Customers often highlight the wide variety of styles, such as modern 3D designs, rustic textures, and minimalist finishes, making Kingdom panels versatile for different aesthetics. For living rooms, they can serve as a feature wall. In bedrooms, they create a cozy backdrop. And in offices, they add a touch of professionalism. People also appreciate that the panels are low maintenance and easy to clean, which is important for families and busy households. On the flip side, some reviews point out that while the look is premium, the material itself may not feel as solid as natural wood or stone. If not installed properly, edges might peel or show gaps, so precision during installation is key. Additionally, durability can depend on the environment. In high humidity areas, extra care may be required to maintain the panels. Overall, Kingdom panels are considered a budget-friendly, stylish, and practical solution for interior decoration. They provide a luxurious finish without the heavy price tag or the hassle of traditional wall treatments, making them a popular choice for quick makeovers.